And welcome back. So we did start off the day with clouds and even some rain showers lasting into the 8 a.m. hour, but that wind did flip around to a northwesterly direction, and that dries us out pretty quickly. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse, and we go from showers and clouds all the way to sunshine in just a few hours. We kept enough sunshine as we made our way through the day today to really get temperatures up there, with most of us into the lower 80s for highs. We were at 82 at North Platte, Imperial, and Lexington, 83 at Broken Bow, and an 81 out toward Ogallala, and up toward Thedford and Valentine at 78 degrees for a high today, well above where we should be this time of year. We have since fallen to 55 in North Platte and 53 at Broken Bow, Lexington, Thedford, and Hyannis at 57, Valentine holding at 54. So we have since cooled down pretty nicely because we do have those clear skies, and a lot of us, especially from North Platte and points off to the west, do have calm winds right now. Most everybody else has those winds 0 to 10 miles per hour. It is still mainly from a northerly or northwesterly direction. So we will continue to be dry as we make our way through the overnight and through the day on Saturday. Now, here's a look at the Doppler radar. Once again, we went from having the cloudy skies to barely a cloud in the sky through most of the day, and that's the story as of right now as we remain on the clear side. That low pressure system that gave us the moisture has moved off to the north and off to the east, giving some rain into the northern plains and getting into the Midwest as of right now. This high pressure system is working its way in. It's going to work a little north of us, so it's giving us that northwesterly wind that's keeping us dry, but the high is definitely going to be our weather maker as we make our way through the weekend. So here's a look at the skycast. As we make our way through the rest of the overnight, we will have temperatures falling into the upper 40s for lows, and then we rebound right back into the lower 80s, maybe some mid 80s out there as we keep that westerly or west northwesterly wind through the day on Saturday. Still lots of sunshine out there, and then going overnight Saturday into Sunday, falling back into the upper 40s to start, and then for the day on Sunday a little cooler, a little bit more of a northerly wind and maybe a few clouds, but most of us still keep mostly sunny skies with high temperatures into the mid to upper 70s. So there's that northwesterly wind. This high works its way in. It will crest over us on Sunday. That's why it will be just a little cooler. But notice once again, we do have clear skies all the way to the west coast. And as the high moves off to the east, we do have that wind mainly from a southerly direction. That southerly flow, along with a lot of sunshine, will keep us on the warm side as we make our way through most of the next week. So the rain that we got over the past couple of days is not going to be counted in this drought monitor. It will be next week. Maybe there's going to be a little improvement, but still, over the past first 3 weeks of September, we'll say, we were very dry, hot, and lots of sunshine. So the drought has gotten worse. An exceptional drought from Ogallala to just off to the west of North Platte down toward McCook. That's where the worst of it is, especially from Imperial out toward McCook. But from North Platte points off to the south and west, we got the extreme drought, and then most everybody else you see in the orange here is in the severe drought. We'll see what happens next week when we count some of that moisture in there. But it doesn't look like the drought's going to get much better over the next week or so because we're going to stay dry. Clear skies tonight. It will be cooler. Temperatures falling into the mid to upper 40s. Now for the day tomorrow, sunny skies, warm and dry with high temperatures into the mid 80s. And then for the day on Sunday, sunny skies and not as warm, and temperatures into the mid to upper 70s. And then as we go through the next 7 days, Monday, mostly sunny skies, a high of 77, and sunny on Tuesday, a high of 81. 83 for Wednesday and Thursday, sunshine, and high temperatures once again warm for this time of year. Both of those days, high of 83, and then 81 with partly cloudy skies for the day on Friday as we stay dry. Brad?
Justin, I've been calling for some fall weather, but it seems like I can't complain coming up this next week.
Yeah, we only got fall weather yesterday, the day before. We're going to be right back to late summer coming up this week.
Well, I can't complain, but thank you, Justin. And coming up next, a new casino. Learn